Kwiragwo ni kaba kugitira gukira kuhonia. Giki ari gitumi thirikari yugite ndikuregeria mihango yayo gutigirira ati ageni othe aria maraigira guku bururi-ini ni marathimo. Ino ari njira ya kugitira kuingira kwa murimu wa coronavirus guku bururi-ini. Akeria hindi ya kwamukira meri ya mbere kuingira guku bururi-ini mwaka uyu gicukiro-ini kia meri kia Mombasa, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata ukui wa meri guku bururi-ini Daniel Maduku augite thirikari ni itumite ataramu a ugima wa mwiri mwena uyu niguo gutabania mihango ino na njira iria yagireire.
Before any passenger disembarks, there's very rigorous screening on board. I myself have gone through it even before I went in.
This ship has been going around Africa, so it couldn't be more safer. It's been far, far away from any of the events. But cruise ships take it very seriously, globally, proper protective measures, the highest health standards in the world you'll find on a cruise ship.
Oho akiuga ni marathuthuria meri ciothe iria iraingira niguo gukurana iria ciumite kana kugerera bururi-ini wa China ari kuo kihumo kia murimu uyu.
But at the Port of Mombasa, we've already issued a circular and we've issued regulations and guidelines on how to treat suspects in line with the provisions of the Health Act. Where we suspect that there's an incident, we have got facilities to quarantine you, and thereafter we've got experts, even at the port, who are able to diagnose and treat, and eventually either transfer you to medical facilities in Mombasa or out of Mombasa.
Gukinyiria tariki 11 mweri uyu andu 1,018 nio marekiritwo mukode gukua kumana na murimu uyu, na tiga o mundu umwe tu othe aria makuite maumite bururi-ini wa China uria ningi wandikithitie namba nene ya andu aria makurikanite gukorwo magwatitwo niguo. Gatagati ka mehariria maria thirikari ikinyaniirie ni kurehe indo iria irabatarania kuhota guthima na gukurana murimu uyu guku bururi-ini, kuhariria ataramu a urigitani uria mabatie kuhurana na murimu uyu, na oho kuhariria handu ha mwanya ha gutangikira arwaru a murimu uyu ungikinya ni woneka guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.